Do you want to earn money practically automatically? Then stay and watch this video because I will teach you a new method with which you will surely be able to generate a very good income. Hello and welcome to a new video. This time I bring you a new super method that is actually quite good with it, which you will be able to start generating practically automatically without previous experience. Minimum age in Excel from a specific country is one of the best methods that the channel will undoubtedly bring, since you will take advantage of several free tools that you have on the internet to earn a lot of money. In fact, it doesn't matter if you have never earned money online, since here I am going to be revealing all the steps you have to do to be able to win. Of course, the story you win depends on how much effort you put into it, but it really doesn't require that much. Honestly, basically with a little bit of creativity is more than enough. And in fact, if you have never made money online, there is no problem, since it is a method that will work for you, yes, basically without experience. So if you want to see the step-by-step of how to do it, and you too can start to generate very good profits, don't miss a single detail, since they are super important that you have to see, and you will have the latest way to earn money online. Now let's go back to the video so you can see this new method. The page we are going to be using is about Amazon SRSades or Amazon affiliates. And well, what is this about? Because as I told you, it is a program like a referral program. A referral affiliates, as you want to call it, it is really a program that is going to be generating you a very good income basically. You only have to register, recommend a product, and generate income. You will earn up to 10% affiliate commission for each purchase. That's it, a method that will give you good income, especially because you will have the Amazon platform to choose the product. Here are the frequently asked questions. How does the affiliate program work? How did you rate this program? How can I make money with this program? Thank you for your purchases and programs that meet the requirements through traffic that redirects to Amazon, the advertising rates for purchases. And as you see a little more information, how do I register in the program? Register. The truth is that it is super easy to do so. You are going to click here, and well, here you are going to register by clicking here on create an account. We are going to register here with a first and last name, email address, a password, and confirm the password. Now once you have done these steps, you will simply touch login, and as you see, we simply fill out the data. Let's click here, solve this, verify your account, solve puzzle, reserve this computer to protect your account, choose the spiral galaxy, because obviously this spiral galaxy, again this one, and spiral galaxy, another one is this one, and that's it. Basically, if we register now, we are going to enter the code that we received here. Verify your Amazon account. We verify, and here we are going to add a phone number. It does not necessarily have to be from the United States. You can enter anyone. There is no problem on that part, as you see. You just have to add your phone number. Now we just have to confirm our data. Let's go next. Here you enter a website if you have one. Otherwise, you are simply going to enter, for example, a URL of your YouTube channel. Yes, of your YouTube channel. You heard well, and in my case, I can put live without boss, but you can put your YouTube channel without any problem. Remember, here we upload methods updated daily. We are going to add it, and we are going to hit next. Here it is. We give it no, we confirm here, so we leave it blank, or you can say, for example, live without boss X, or obviously you can put, for example, the one you want. What our site is about, make money online. Here, for example, digital downloads. Let's see if this is digital. Okay, God, compare, happy. We leave it blank. Let's see how we receive traffic through SEO, blogs. Let's see. Here it is if we work with another, how we make money with our site. You can put, for example, Amazon Associates and leave it like that with one. It's fine, as you usually build the links. There it is with the HTML editor. How many visits we receive, why we want to be Amazon affiliates. Here we are going to select blog post. And we are going to fill out CAPTCHA GBF7S8. We accept terms and conditions, and ready to see where I missed this one. Let's see, manage would be C to C to C to C. I think this one, we are going to wait for it to finish, and that's it. We give it here and later, and let's go. Let's wait for the last tab to load. There it is. Here come all the instructions about us. Email our code. We can put this in Spanish. Don't worry, you're going to wait for it to finish loading. Perfect. Now here you could see the products that they are being more popular, or recommendations for you as you see games. Okay, if you know me quite well, we are going to go to Amazon.com, and well, here we are going to be able to choose different products. Now what are we going to do to be able to get money or take advantage of the free tools of which I mentioned to you? Oh, look, perfect, a coffee maker. Now, well, here you could give it, for example, electric kettles, coffee and tea, and look, we can see combo coffee makers. That's good coffee makers. That would be coffee makers. Now what is the next step? Well, the truth is that it is super easy. Honestly, you just have to go to Canva canva.com. In fact, you can do it in any editor, but I recommend Canva because it is easier for me to do it that way. And let's look for history, for example. Let's see what's more. I think there is an option even to vertical video. Yes, here is collage video for mobile devices. It is this one. And well, the easy way you have to take advantage of this is to make a top 10 coffee makers. To give an example, you just have to select the ones that have the most reviews and go to them accommodating. For example, position number 1, position number 10, there is position number 98, and so on. Now if we click here on this coffee maker, as you see here at the top, in fact, I think it is not visible. Let me enlarge this. There it is here at the top. Comes get link, you click here short link, and that's it. This is your affiliate link, which you are going to put on the side. You can open a Google Doc or a notepad, and you are going to put together all your affiliate links with which you will to have several referral links. Now, finally, we are just going to go to YouTube and you are going to upload your video. Make sure it lasts less than 55 seconds to upload it like a YouTube short. And look, let me give you an example. See coffee machine I look. In fact, you could make a top 5. Now, if we come here in the description, do more, it is not necessary. Look here, they are as a posted comment. And if you see they are referral links, something similar, well, yes, so this method works quite well, especially if you want to earn money practically automatically. But what about, did you think of this new method? Leave your comments in the description to know what you think. I tell you, it's as simple as uploading your video here. In uploading video, you drag and drop it like YouTube Short. You don't need to put YouTube Short, just in the description, put the links, and how posted comment, you are going to put the links as you see something like this, and ready to receive sales. In fact, these videos could even be taken from Amazon itself, which as you see offers you several free videos, so it is simply a matter of copy and paste. I think it is a method super easy to start doing. The truth is that there is no joke, basically it is that, and find a profitable niche, and then if you get a very good income, see you in the next video. Until next time.